Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Brave browser and how I've gotten over $120 just by using the browser normally like I would any other browser. First, we're going to look at how much money I've actually made using the Brave browser, and then we're going to go into how to set it up and how you yourself can actually get paid by using the browser. So here we are in Mint, which is the application that I use to track all of my financial transactions, anything from credit cards to bank accounts or anything of that sort. I have here so I can keep track of it. So here we can see that I've received 5 transactions from UpHold, which is the service that takes the money that I get from the Brave browser and then deposits it to my bank account. We can see here that the first transaction that I received from them was of $60, and then I got another one of $40, and then I have some smaller increments in there as well. And we're going to go look at how I actually received this money, what I had to do to receive it, and how I set everything up. So in order to understand why you get paid to use this browser, you have to first understand the organization and the creator behind it. The creator behind it is Brendan Eich, which is the original founder of Mozilla Firefox, which was one of the first browsers that ever came about when the internet was getting started. He was also the creator of JavaScript, the programming language, which is used on hundreds of thousands or millions of devices today. And every modern web browser and every modern website actually uses that language in order to operate the website, in order to create the applications that you use. Brendan Eich's vision for Brave browser is to create a browser that is quick, that is fast, that is privacy focused, and one that gives the power back to the user. We can see here that at the top of the Brave.com website, they say that they are 3 times faster than Chrome, and they use 35% less battery on mobile. If we scroll down on the front page, they have a whole section dedicated to ads. They say here, as a user, access to your web activity and data is sold to the highest bidder. Internet giants grow rich while publishers go out of business. And the entire system is rife with ad fraud. They mentioned that they have Brave Shield for privacy. They want to block data-grabbing ads and trackers by default. The vast bulk of websites and ads include software that tries to identify you. They want to track your every move across the web. Brave blocks all of this, allowing you to browse freely. They mentioned that you can earn frequent flyer-like tokens just for browsing. So you can turn on Brave Rewards, which I'm going to show you how to do, to earn frequent flyer-like tokens for viewing privacy-respecting ads. So they will block ads, the normal ads that you see on a normal web page, but you can turn on their ads which don't violate your privacy, and you can actually get paid from watching them. They continue on to say, currently you can support your favorite web creators with your tokens, but soon you'll be able to spend tokens on premium content, gift cards, and more. But I actually just accumulate the tokens and then pay myself. Now that we've looked through the Brave browser webpage and seen what it's all about and all the features, I'm going to actually show you how to configure it in order for you to earn money. Okay, after you've downloaded and installed the Brave browser from the link in the description, go ahead and go to the top of the settings here, the little hamburger icon, and we're going to set up the Brave Rewards. In this page, we want to make sure that the Brave Rewards is turned on, and what I like to do in the ads section is make sure that they are enabled and that I'm also getting the maximum amount of ads that I can receive in an hour. This will make sure that I get more ads and therefore I can get paid more as a result. Scrolling down, I also turn auto contribute off. This is a way to support publishers and content creators automatically. Now, I like to just accumulate the rewards and then decide at the end of the month if I'm going to contribute to any publishers or content creators. So I like to turn it off, but you can turn it on and have that automatically get sent out to your favorite content creators. If we go to the top right corner of the page, we can see our wallet, which is where we can see how many rewards we've accumulated over a period of time. We can see right now that I have 4.75 BAT or BAT, which stands for Basic Attention Token. We can also see how much those rewards are worth in dollars. Right now, 4.75 BAT is about 1.04 US dollars. If you want to withdraw your rewards and convert them to dollars or your currency of choice, you're going to need to verify your wallet with an UpHold account. Now, if you click on this top left section, you can see that I am already verified. So what you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to UpHold and create an account. I have all of the links in the description for you to easily find. And you can see here that my UpHold account has many wallets linked to them. I have browsers in different laptops and actually on my mobile phone and on my iPad and many different devices, and they all are linked here so that I can receive all of my rewards into one account, and I can also withdraw them easily to my bank. If you see down here in the recent activity section, you can see the rewards that I've received and also the rewards that I've withdrawn to my bank account. After you've verified your wallet with UpHold, you will see here that it says your wallet has been verified, and at the end of the month, when you get your rewards for the month, it'll automatically be available in your UpHold account to be able to withdraw to your bank account. Okay, now that you've set up your rewards and your ads how you want them to, let's take a look at what an ad looks like and how a publisher looks like on the browser. Now here we've actually received an ad at the top right of the screen. You can see here, you don't actually have to click on it in order to get paid. There's a misconception that you have to click on it in order to get paid, but you actually don't. You can close it and it will next time try to show you a more relevant ad to you, or you can click on it and take a look at what the ad is. So I don't really care about this ad, so I'm just going to close it right off the bat. I don't care about it. So that was an example of an ad, and I am going to actually get paid a small amount of money for even seeing the notification. Another thing I wanted to show you was how you can donate to publishers and creators. So here we are at my YouTube channel, and I am verified as a content creator. If you see at the top here, the little icon in the address bar, you can see the symbol for the Brave Rewards or BAT and then a check. That means that I have been verified as a content creator. So if you click on it here, I can actually set a monthly contribution to this creator. It just happens to be myself, but this could be anybody else that has been verified as a content creator with the Brave Foundation. Here you can see I can donate a BAT every month or even more, 100 BAT. I'm not going to donate to myself because that's silly, but please consider donating to me if you have the means to do so. I would greatly appreciate it. The final thing that I wanted to show you was how to register as a publisher or content creator on the Brave platform. As you've seen, I was verified for my YouTube channel, but you can also actually verify yourself as your website, YouTube channel, your Twitch, your Twitter, your Reddit, your GitHub, etc. So when anybody goes to your sites, they can contribute to that specific site and give you that monthly donation. So this is actually different than the section that I first introduced you to, which was the Brave ads section. You can earn money by viewing ads, but you can also earn money or tokens or rewards by creating content and then people donating to you for creating that content. So you can earn money as a consumer or as a publisher. I am showing you both ways. Okay guys, I've shown you what the Brave browser is all about, how it's quick, efficient, privacy focused, and I've shown you how to set it up so that when you get ads, you actually get rewarded for it. I've also shown you how to turn those rewards into dollars by linking it with an UpHold account, and I've also shown you how to get started as a Brave publisher and get paid for the content that you create. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.